Many people wish to produce twins. Listen to this shocking truth. Identical twins are medically called monozygotic twins, meaning they come from one fertilized egg that later divides into two embryos. This process is natural, not caused by sex position, diet, or family history. Below is a clear, step-by-step explanation of how identical twins form from fertilization to early conception based on established human biology. 1. Ovulation. The single egg is released. Each menstrual cycle, one ovary usually releases one mature egg ovum. This egg carries the mother's genetic material. It survives for about 12 to 24 hours after release. If sperm does not meet it within this time, pregnancy does not occur. Identical twins always begin with one egg, not two. 2. Fertilization. One sperm meets one egg. During intercourse, millions of sperm travel through the vagina and uterus toward the fallopian tube. Only one sperm penetrates the egg's outer layer. At that instant, fertilization occurs, forming a zygote, a single cell with a complete genetic blueprint, 46 chromosomes. Important truth. Identical twins do not happen because two sperm fertilize one egg. Identical twins do not happen because of two eggs. It is strictly one sperm plus one egg. 3. The zygote begins cell division. Within hours, the zygote starts dividing. One cell gives two cells, gives four cells, gives 8 cells, gives many cells. This rapid division is called cleavage. At this stage, all cells are genetically identical. Normally, these cells stay together and continue developing as one embryo. 4. The critical moment, the split. In identical twin pregnancy, something rare but natural happens. The developing cell mass splits into two separate groups. Each group continues to grow independently, forming two embryos with the same DNA. This split can happen at different times, and the timing determines how the twins will share the womb. 5. Timing of the split and what it means. A early split, days 1 to 3. The split happens very early, before the placenta forms. Each embryo develops its own placenta and amniotic sac. Result: twins look identical genetically but may appear slightly different. This is rare but possible. The common split, days 4 to 8. The split occurs after the placenta starts forming. Twins share one placenta but have separate amniotic sacs. This is the most common type of identical twin pregnancy. See late split, days 8 to 13. The split happens late. Twins share one placenta and one amniotic sac. This carries higher pregnancy risks and requires close medical care. The very late incomplete split. If separation is incomplete, conjoined twins may form. This is extremely rare. 6. Implantation. Conception is established. After splitting or not, the embryos travel to the uterus. Around day 6 to 10, implantation occurs. This is when the embryo attaches to the uterine wall and pregnancy becomes established. From this point, the placenta develops to supply oxygen and nutrients. Pregnancy hormones rise. Medical tests can detect pregnancy. In identical twins, both embryos implant either close together or in nearby areas of the uterus. 7. Why identical twins look alike. Because both embryos come from the same original zygote, they share the same DNA, the same sex, the same blood type, very similar physical traits. However, they may still develop small differences due to position in the womb, blood flow variations, environmental influences after birth. 8. Common myths clarified. Identical twins are not caused by eating special foods. They are not inherited. They are not planned by timing intercourse. They occur randomly and naturally. 9. Medical importance. Identical twin pregnancies are considered high risk, especially when twins share a placenta. Doctors monitor them closely for unequal blood sharing, growth differences, preterm labor. With proper care, many identical twin pregnancies result in healthy babies. Final truth. Identical twins begin as one life that becomes to one fertilized egg, one genetic blueprint, and one extraordinary natural split. From fertilization to conception, the process follows precise biological steps, not myths or guesses. It is one of the clearest examples of how delicate, exact, and remarkable human development truly is. If you found this educational and exciting, please subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts below. Tell us, what part surprised you the most?